Welcome to Turbo Rider today. We are diving into a true legend from the Harley archives, the Harley Davidson Bad Boy. A name that screams attitude, and a design that still turns heads decades later. This bike isn't just a ride, it's a statement. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the Harley Bad Boy packs the iconic 1,340 cubic centimeters Evolution V-twin engine, air-cooled, solid, and made for that raw cruiser power. Mated to a 5-speed gearbox, this engine isn't about high-revving madness, it's about low-end torque and that unmistakable Harley rumble. Comfort and ride quality. With wide handlebars and a laid-back cruiser posture, the Bad Boy offers surprisingly good comfort. The solo spring seat adds both retro style and decent cushioning. Suspension setup is basic but handles bumps well on highways and city roads. Road presence and design. Now this is where the Bad Boy earns its name. From the all-black finish to the Springer front suspension, everything about this bike oozes old-school cool. The minimal chrome, fat rear tire, and dark attitude make it one of the most iconic Harley silhouettes. Fuel efficiency and practicality. Being a heavy V-twin cruiser, don't expect high mileage. Around 15 to 18 km RL is typical. This bike is more about passion than practicality. It's not ideal for daily city commutes or tight parking spots, but for relaxed evening rides or weekend escapes, it's near perfect. Who should ride the Bad Boy? If you're someone who loves vintage Harleys, unique styling, and don't mind the attention, this bike is made for you. Middle-aged riders and Harley collectors especially value it for its character and rarity. Final verdict. The Harley Davidson Bad Boy isn't just a motorcycle, it's a piece of Harley history. With its bold looks, classic V-twin performance, and unmatched street presence, it's a true collector's gem. Not for everyone, but unforgettable for those who get it. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider for more iconic bike reviews.